Today, we're talking about Devin AI, the AI software engineer that's taking the tech world by storm. Devin can write code, fix bugs, and even build entire applications. Mind-blowing, right? Let's jump in and see how to request early access. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Devin AI website. Once on the website, look for a section dedicated to early access or beta program enrollment. It might be a button labeled Request Access, a link in the navigation bar, or even a pop-up that appears upon arrival, depending on the website design. Clicking the Access Request button or link will likely take you to a dedicated form. Here, you'll be asked to provide some information about yourself and your interest in Devin AI. Common fields might include your email address, a brief explanation of why you'd like to use Devin AI, and maybe you can share something more about you, maybe portfolio site or even LinkedIn profile. Once you've filled out the form completely, double-check your information for accuracy. Then, click the Submit button and wait for a response from Devin AI. There you have it. By following these steps on the Devin AI website, you've submitted your request for early access. Remember, Devin AI is under development, so access might be limited. But if you're selected, you'll be among the first to experience this powerful AI tool. If you have any questions about Devin AI or the Early Access program, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.